Here we have a 2019 Ford regular cab XL, 1,900 miles, one owner with a clean CarFax in silver. 1,900 mile on a 19. What more do you have to say? This thing's as like new of an alternative as you'll get. It is the XL, which is the work truck or basic series through Ford. You'll notice the black bumper and black grille. As we come around to the side, we have steel wheels here with obviously only 1,900 miles on like new tires. You also can see a nice shiny rotor and thick brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at All Things Automotive. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. Find the results of that inspection signed up by the technician that performed it in the glove box of our cars. XLs give you the vinyl floor with the vinyl seats with the cloth inserts, 40-20-40 fold down split bench. Does allow for 3 passenger seating. Otherwise a light gray, dark gray interior. And as we drop this down, let's just show you the check sheet here. And of course all the tires are new, 12s. All the brakes are like new, 14s and 12s, to be expected with this kind of miles. And of course we got brand new books still in the plastic, all your connections, everything you would need to prove that this is essentially a new truck. So continue around, you can see we do have the diamond plate step bars there. Is the long bed, 8-foot bed. That's the nice thing about the regular cab. You actually get a true 8-foot bed, which is becoming really hard to come by. And you can see there, no rust or oxidation. Continue around to the back. Do have a backup camera, and we do have a tow hitch. So that's the best thing. This truck is set up for work. You can see the drop-in Ford liner on that 8-foot bed. Continue around to the other side. Again, all the tires match. Brand new frame, brand new truck. Again, manual adjustment. Of course, we got manual locks, manual windows, and manual mirrors. We do have cargo light, headlamp controls, dimmer for your interior, and electronic parking brake. Now let's go ahead and jump inside here. Show you, we always promise 2 sets of keys. We do have them, no key fobs. Like I say, basic truck. We do have 2 keys, 1,937 miles. Let's go ahead and start it up. All right, and let's continue. You can see average mile per gallon, distance tow empty, tripometer timers, all that is controlled with this touchpad here. We do not have cruise control in this truck. We do have the headlamp or high beams and turn signals, intermittent washers to the left, a column shift to the right, with the ability to select any gears and your tow haul or drive mode there. It is 4-wheel drive with electronic shift on the fly transfer case. We do have AM, FM, radio, standard radio. It's just checking for satellite. We do have your climate controls. Below that you can see an auxiliary and 12-volt power supply. We also got 2 cup holders there, and manual flip on your rear view, of course, and no illuminated or mirrored visors on the driver. We do have a mirror on the passenger side. So very basic in equipment, but like I say, 8-foot bed gives you everything you need to get the job done. Let's take a look underneath the hood here. I believe we have a 3.3 liter V6 non-turbo, normally aspirated engine on this particular truck. And that is what we have. No exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks, no corrosion on the battery terminals. Obviously brand new, like new. Hasn't even had one oil change, and that would have been by us here. We do go completely over the vehicles, as I showed you the report earlier. So we did change the oil. It did get a fresh Pennsylvania state inspection. It is ready to go. Now, I showed you, of course, it's a new truck. Everything's like new as far as that goes. Like new truck, excuse me. And also showed you, oh, actually, let me show you the auto history report. My apologies. We always keep this on the dash. No accidents or damage reported. CarFax, 1 owner, clean all the way around that way. And then now let's just walk the car. So looking for dents, stings, scratches. Pretty good shape this truck is. I think there's 1 dent that I noticed on the passenger side. I'll show you here, but other than that, 1,900 miles, it's about as like new as they come. That's what we try to do. You know, we try to give you a like new alternative. This obviously is as close as it gets. We want to give you a used car price with a new car fit, feel, and finish. And there's a little shine there. Looks like we might have, nope, just a watermark. A couple little tiny scratches. I mean, because it is so like new, I'm being very picky here. You know, I mean, these are into the clear, just into the clear, not into the base coat. We buffed them out. You might not even really be able to pick them out, but a couple little minor scratches there, minor scuff up there. And the dent I thought was on this door. Minor scratch there that we buffed out as well. I thought the dent was on this side, but I could be wrong. I might have given you some false news there, guys. I thought I had noticed one, but I don't see it now. Hood is good. No chips or dings there. Grill, bumper look good. Just gonna walk this one more time and make sure. I thought I had seen one. Gonna give you a double take here just to be sure. A couple little scratches there in the tailgate I missed the first go around. And a couple right there that I missed the first go around. We do have folks come in and professionally remove the dents, and so, there it is. I knew it was there. I knew it was there, right there behind the door. That's where the dent is. So there you go, guys. Does still have the remainder of Ford's powertrain and comprehensive warranty transferable to the next owner, so you can buy with confidence. If you're interested, a few ways of getting a hold of us. Come visit us, 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Look us up online, www.allthingsautomotive.com, or give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.